Made Easy. Hey guys, first off, welcome. Many of the new subscribers, and thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. Today, this definitely will be about tech. You know, Tech Made Easy, right? And I wanted to introduce you to a product that I bought a couple of years ago, and I did that because I had a generator in the garage, and every year I would have to start this generator up, and I had a battery, and the battery always seemed to go bad because it just sat around. And I said, what can I do to make it easier to just jump start this generator, start the generator up so I could run it for a little while so it's prepared for the winter, you know, and God forbid if I lose power, right? As you know now, I'm off of gas generators. I'm now on the Ego Power Plus Nexus inverter, which I will post a video in the upper right hand corner, a little card. Okay, so look out for that if you want to see that, and then you can always come back to this video. But that thing is amazing, and it uses Ego batteries, and it's clean, and you can put it in your bedroom. You can bring it in your house. You don't have to worry about fumes or gas. But getting back to this product, you know, again, you really think about it, everything's about a battery these days, and this is really a boost. So I'm going to put up some information throughout this video to kind of go over some of the features and things. So the first slide that's coming up is going to go over, you know, this is sold on Amazon. It's got over 8,000 4-star reviews, if you look at that there on the upper right-hand corner. I purchased it, as you can see on the left side, in December 12th, 2016. All right, and it's currently selling for around 98 bucks. Okay. All right, so let me go on to the next slide, and let's go over some key features. Okay. So first off, what is it? Well, it is a jump starter. It's portable power, and it has an LED flashlight built in. Now, here's the impressive part, right? They give you up to 1,000 amps, okay, which is amazing. A 12-volt lithium battery. Now, that means that if you charge it, this product, that you can get up to 20 jump starts on a single charge. Now, the car would have to be a 6-liter gas engine or a 3-liter diesel engine. Now, this is not made, to my knowledge, for really big diesel trucks. But they're saying up to a 3-liter diesel engine, okay? It does have a built-in flashlight, okay? And LED flashlight's 100 lumen. It's got 7 light modes, including emergency, strobe, and SOS. The other thing is it's also a charger. So I will show you the flashlight after this slide, and I will show you, you know, where you can plug in your charger. So let's go on to that real quick and show you that in the video. All right, so you're looking at the unit again, and so, you know, here is your flashlight. Let's go over to flashlight real quick. This is actually where you plug it in, by the way. It has a proprietary adapter. Actually, this is not where you plug it in. This is where the cables go, and I'll show you that also later on. But let's turn it on, okay? All right, it is on. Now I'm going to turn the flashlight on, and oh God, that is bright actually. It's, you know, considering that you're getting a flashlight built in. I wonder, all right, so there's your flashlight. All right, pretty bright. We'll turn that off. As far as charging is concerned, go ahead right here in the back of the unit, and you will see that you have a micro USB, which is a little harder to see, guys. Okay, and you also have USB as well. Okay, sorry about the lighting today, but yeah, so you plug it in here, honestly, to charge, to tell you the truth, in the micro USB, and then here's the USB port where you can actually use to charge cell phones and different devices like tablets. All right, sorry about that, guys. Just getting my head straight here. Just got my coffee, and I'm rocking and rolling. This is, as you can see, 100% charged now. Okay. And it does have a boost mode in specific cases. This says 7,000 joules. All right. Now, I'm not an expert in joules. All right, but really, really good product. Okay, let's go back and now throw up the next slide. All right, let me just leave that open for now. And on the next slide, I just wanted to show you some of the key features. We'll go over them together. So your power button is here. Your power LED light is here. All right, again, as you know, your USB out was here. Your USB in for charging is here. USB micro charger here. All right, your light mode button. Okay, this is your manual mode button, which is used for manual override in cases where this doesn't detect your battery. Okay, this is the boost LED. All right, again, you'll use boost in certain cases. Your charge LED is here, and actually this is an error LED, and this is your charge LED. And that's it. It seems to be made very well. Again, I bought this in 2016, and again, I've used this to jumpstart the charger. And today, I'm going to try to do that. This generator has sat around for a while. But let me go to the next slide for now. Okay, so the next slide just goes over a comparison. All right, so as you can see, I have the GB40. It's all the way to the left side, right? But you can get a GB150, and you look, that's 3,000 amps. It'll support a 9-liter gas engine or a 7-liter diesel engine. The flashlight is 500 lumen, and it'll give you up to 80 jump starts per charge. So guys, I'm going to leave this. You can hit pause. You can look at this yourself. But I just wanted to show this information to you. It's pretty valuable. These are great to have. All right, guys, you know I'm all about beast mode. I mean, we talked about the GB150 already. But look at the GB500. 20,000 amps. I mean, look at what it supports. Guys, if you need something that has more power, these are the two big boys. The links will be in the description. All right? Thanks, guys. So I just wanted to show you that. All right? And that's it for slides. All right? Give me a moment. I'm going to go ahead and try to set this up so I can go in the garage and do a boost on the generator. All right? I'll be back. Thanks, guys. All right, guys. We are in the garage now. This is the Predator 8750 maximum wattage and 7,000 running watts. Okay, this is a beast. I got this at Harbor Freight a while ago. Anyway, I built my own stand with the wheels and stuff. It's not perfect, but anyway, check it out. I'm going to go ahead and connect the battery. And by the way, that is the case and the cables you get. See, this plugs into the adapter. So we're going to zoom in now, and we're going to see. I just put gas in this, fresh gas. I'm not going to guarantee it's going to start, folks, I swear, because at the end of the day, this has been sitting around, and last year, I don't think I started it. So what I'm going to do for now is I am going to plug the adapter into the proprietary side. Actually, to tell you the truth, power off always when you mess with power. I'm going to plug this in to this, okay, and just make sure. Looks like there's only one way to do it. One way is square, one way is round. So that's in. All right, now I'm going to connect positive to positive and negative to negative, and then we're going to see how we do. All right, so positive on this guy, negative on this guy. All right. Okay, positive, negative, so we are connected. I don't like messing with power, I'll be honest with you. So I'm going to be pushing that start button right there in a moment. All right, so I'm going to turn it on. All right, it is connected. All right, I think I have to use boost. All right, there goes boost. Oh, that's why. Well, you see it. It's real. It's not pre-planned. But yeah, basically, when you're starting up an engine that doesn't have a battery, you need to use the boost. So you have to hold the boost down, and then if the lights flash, I had to adjust the air intake on the Predator in order to get it started. Yeah, check that out. I mean, this isn't started. I got people coming today to actually buy this because I'm getting rid of it, guys. I know, call me crazy, right? But I did pick up another inverter, you know, a gas inverter that's been sitting in a box. So, call me crazy. I don't know. I mean, it started up with no problem. So, guys, that's it. I mean, this is the product, the GB40, 1000 amp. But I got to tell you, I'm tempted to get the big boy. I love being prepared. I'm just that kind of person. So with that, do me a favor, okay? Give us a thumbs up if this helped in any way or introduced you to a new product or something. And my Tech Made Easy logo will come up here on the upper right. If you click that, if you want to actually subscribe to our channel, join the family, we would appreciate it. And I'm going to put my Get Off Gas playlist up here. You can check out all of the Eagle reviews I've done on the lawnmowers and the trimmers and different things. I also have some stuff coming up in the next couple of days. So make sure that your notifications are on. And with that, thank you so much, guys. You have a wonderful, wonderful day.